Well, what's going on there, YouTube? I got a little project going on, a little update on the hookers and blow. I finally got it pulled in yesterday, started tearing it apart, and let me show you what I got so far. I got normal stuff out. Getting it ready to pull. I got to get in the cab and pull the brake booster off because the valve cover won't clear. But if you look, that thing, I believe, that push rod decided it wanted to go Bluetooth. And if you look down in here, I believe my cam decided it wanted to be Bluetooth. And I believe also down in that little hole, there is a rod that I guess she decided to leave the chat, but this thing didn't make any noise. It's kind of weird. Think all that breakage, you'd have a noise when you're driving it, starting it, whatever. Nah, she didn't do shit. It just running great one day. Next time, she just didn't want to run. Thing turned over, it'd go clank, 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 clank. Nah, it was quiet. Anyway, I'm gonna get that motor pulled out today. When I start tearing it down, I'll add some more videos and keep you updated on where she's at. Well, got her out. I think I'm just gonna pull the pan off the way it's sitting. There's a lot of shit in there, stuff. Yeah. Kind of destroyed that motor mount when I was pulling it out. I noticed this guy. That didn't used to be broke. So I don't know what happened there. And this cylinder here, I'm pretty sure, so focus, I just hope my head ain't screwed up. That would suck. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get the truck, get the hood back on it, and then I'm gonna try and push it back outside by myself. We'll see how that works. And then I'll start tearing down this guy. Alright, well, I got the heads off of it. And I was looking on this side of the head gaskets to see if there's any bad spots. And this side don't look bad. That piston's actually really clean compared to the others. That piston had had tapped the valves a little bit. I don't see anything bad. I mean, that's part of what's on the head. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. So I don't know what would have caused my catastrophic failure, considering that gasket looks pretty good. We'll just set that there. Okay, now let's go look at this side. Well, I'll just go ahead and pull this guy off. So I don't see anything on this side. That little tear is from the head. Some of this still is just from the head, but that gasket don't look blown out. Even this side don't look blown out. If you guys see something that I don't see, let me know, but that thing does not look blown out to me. That piston is good. That piston's good. That piston's good. What the hell? That big old hole. Zoom you in here. I was kind of looking at that. There's no push rod on the back 2 cylinders, folks. I guess I just got me a big old V6. I don't know. I don't know if I should tear it down to see what all's in the pan and see if the crank's good, but I probably will just to see if the crank is still good. So I'll let you know what I find. Well, we got the oil pan off. All that stuff. Holy cow. Not exactly sure what this big piece is. Oh, look at that. There's part of my bearing. She's toast. Well, fucking rod. Rings. What's that little guy? Oh, that looks like, what is that, like a lifter? Destroyed. Whoa. Stay. Hey, I think I can reuse that cap. What do you guys think? Ah, that's mint. It'll work. Holy cow. One push rod. Oh, the other push rod. Oh, there's part of it. Guys, I don't know how, you know, I'm not the smartest man in the world, but if something like this happened, you think I would have heard it. But I didn't hear nothing. Oh, there's part of my piston. Fuck. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if something this catastrophic happened, I mean that's rod chewed, gone. I would have heard that when I drove it. I don't get it. Anyway, now I let this oil kind of drip off, and now I'm going to flip it over and work on getting crank out. I'll probably do the cam real quick while all this crap drips off. So, all right, I'll let you know. Well, I got her all apart. There's no saving this guy. I mean, it just annihilated these back 2 cylinders. That rear cam bearing, I don't know if you can quite tell, but that rear cam bearing is toast. I mean, when I pulled the little chunk out, you know, that's part of the bearing. So I'm still trying to wrap my head around how this happened and me not hear anything, because as far as I know, I'm the only one that drives this thing, and I ain't blaming nobody, but I'm just trying to figure out how. I mean look at that crank. That thing is all chewed up. I mean, that cap is, I had to cut that off, because there's no getting that off, I don't think, without cutting it off. But that thing is chewed galore, man. That would have made so much racket. I don't know how I couldn't hear that. And this is the little piece of cam that I pulled out of the back. Well, if it'd stay focused here, you know, but the cam itself, I mean, yeah, it's scratched, but it's still smooth. It is still smooth through there, but the bearing is shot. And don't see any real damage on the heads, thank God. I might have a bent valve, maybe, depending. But the heads don't look bad. I mean, just barely nicked a couple of the pistons. But yeah, so this block is shot. So now, I guess I'm just gonna pull the truck out. Well, I might just push it in for now until I need it in the garage. Move stuff around and try to save money and buy another engine, I guess. I don't know, but it ain't gonna be built. It'll probably just be a stock one for now, and I'll probably throw my tunnel ram and stuff on it just to keep the look. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Till then, we'll see you later. I'll keep you updated if I find anything. Thank you.